Hi, it's Kev the Builder, and today I'm looking at obviously a rendering and obviously timber work. So basically what we see here is a classic timber cladding, a bit of a feature on a lot of period properties, but unfortunately what happens is because of the down pipes and you get water running down, you get this rotting timber that falls away and has to be replaced. So we just got to section in some timber. This timber's been taken out of the bottom here. Basically the timber will go here and it would meet abutment to this, and that's the timber that's going to be replaced there and covers back over. And then subsequently, once that timber's then fitted, we can put some filler there and make good there. When you cut the timber here, which we've done on this section here, it's called scarfing in. So you basically take the rotten timber off in any timber, and you scarf in another piece of timber. So for instance, scarfing in is taking that timber out and then putting some timber back on there. You can see a section here where it's obviously the brickwork's come away. This needs to be made good with render, filled in and then detailed. And then what will happen is all this timber's just being fitted here, up here, and here, and along the side there, and then it will meet an abutment there. So you'll get a nice finished edge there, which is really good. This is called lead, and this is the lead called lead dressing. This is dressed into the brickwork through the pug joint here, which is the joints here, and then you put the lead in there, and then that actually stops it from actually getting water penetration downstairs and on the ground floor, because at the moment this is on the first floor, so it stops water dripping down. You can see it going into and pushed into the brickwork, into the actual jointing of the brickwork, and that's called lead. And that there is quite thin lead, so that'd be what's called code 4 lead.